Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mazda RX3. This is one of my personal favorite casting. I do have it in a white color, which is over there, here actually. So I can't able to take it because I have sent it three boxes here. It's hard to get it out. But I will be doing comparison videos, in some time soon, and I'm just planning to do it on every weekend. So I will be doing that. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So if you guys are wondering, if you are new to my channel or if you are just starting with this video, so this is by Hotwheels from their card art premium series, and this one is specifically from the speed graphics series, and I bought this for MRP, which is 299. So one of my friend bought it for me, so I didn't get this in Chennai, and I didn't get it online either. Okay. So out of the box, the casting looks really shitty. You can see here a lot of scratches on the top, the roof specifically. Here also some dents and all these things. So this is actually a beautiful casting. When I unboxed that one, the white one, I was blown away because it looked really awesome. I think that one is the Mad Mike's version. So okay, at least you have headlight detail, which is really nice. So the logo, I don't know, they put a dot there, I guess, for the logo. Okay, and it does have tail light detail as well. Okay, I think this is track specific, yeah. So which means, see, this logo means it performs very well in track. That's what it means. Okay, so I personally like the set of rims, which looks really cool. And mothers, polishes, waxes, cleaners. I don't know who these guys are. I don't know why they are promoting these people. They can put some, like good, at least audio system sponsors, or at least any parts, car part sponsors, instead of these kind of shitty things. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. This is chromed out plastic. This is not metal. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It doesn't roll really well. It is supposed to perform well on track, since they specifically mentioned that here. But look at this. Look at this. Look how it wobbles. The wheel wobbles a lot, and the car pitches like this. Oh my god! I never seen a worst one which mentioned as tracks, track special, and doesn't really perform well on track. See how look at the wobble. It is the worst. Oh my god! I really never expected this from Mattel for the price which we are paying. It doesn't have any rear view mirrors as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.